I don't know what's going on traffic-wise, but I'll tell you what. Leaving Toronto on a Tuesday afternoon feels more like Friday on a long weekend. After people get off work. Unbelievable. I feel like I'm driving in Bangkok. Look at this boat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 motors on there. Wow. This guy doesn't want to get across the lake in any time. It's a racing boat. Must be nice to have money. Well, of course it's nice to have money. As opposed to the alternative. Hiring truck drivers and
ช่วงนี้อย่าลืมนะครับผมเติมแอลกอฮอล์ลงร่างกายสักนิดหนึ่งเลยกันนะครับ
the guy says, yeah, no problem, everybody does it. I said, this is a dock for a day cab. Yeah, no problem, everybody does it. Easy. You got this thing sitting here. The building is right here. And on top of it all, he parks his car right there. Or whoever parked their car there. So, easy my foot. It's one of the most challenging docks. This probably took me 15 minutes to get into this door. So yeah, they actually do motorcycle testing here. It's actually raining out. I had to go run to the car to get my coffee. But that's it. That's their motorcycle testing track right there. Little hill. It's raining. I had to get my coffee. Turns out Nutch has to go to the doctor to get her eye examination done and before she can update her license. So they're going to do that now. And her and Spy are going to do that, and Nancy and I are going to wait right here. Nutch will be happy to have her Thai noodle soup. And remember, this is breakfast for her. Now she's getting some rice or something. And there he goes, all fixed up and repaired. That's a lot of hair down there. I didn't realize I had so much hair. So now,
beautiful smiling faces, see everyone having fun. It's wonderful. Thank you again so much for coming. Thank you.
fresh watermelon. Arroy makmat. So that's it. A little bit of a recap of Thailand and 2026 and back in Canada, which is what we're doing now as Nutch and I prepare to leave for on another trip to BC. What would you choose? A stress free life or I can't wait. I think I know what everybody chooses, but I can't wait. I just want to retire. I'm done with this trucking business, but I still got to work. So, thumbs up, like, subscribe. You know the drill. Until the next one, ciao. Ciao.